Attention maintenance managers, are you fed up with the ongoing challenges of managing complex maintenance operations? Look no further. Introducing TeroTAM CMMS Software, your ultimate solution for streamlining and enhancing your maintenance processes. In our latest video, how TeroTAM CMMS Software can greatly benefit maintenance managers, we dive into the exceptional features and benefits that make TeroTAM the top choice for industry professionals. Join us as we reveal the secrets behind this innovative software designed to revolutionize how you manage your maintenance tasks. Discover how TeroTAM CMMS software can effortlessly optimize your workflow, saving you valuable time and resources. From work order management to preventive maintenance scheduling, our software empowers you to streamline operations, minimize downtime, and maximize productivity. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Embrace the future of maintenance management with TeroTAM CMMS software, your pathway to success.